He placed a ban on them that they could never return to Jerusalem for 2,000 years. They could not do it. Until Gog and Magog were released. And after they were released, their armies spread out all over the world, including India, and took control of the world. And then these people were brought back to Jerusalem. And so it is as plain as daylight, although we're not seeing the sun today in Leeds, that Gog and Magog are there. Gog and Magog are located in modern Western civilization. And it is Islamic eschatology which is declaring that they will never be content unless they get you to follow their way of life. So if our way of life is to wear the beard, they say no. They say no. A clean-shaven man, this is hygienic better. And so they shave off the beard. And we want to dress with our ethnic clothing. We dress in a way which conforms with our sacred mission in the world and our religious obligations. That's how we dress. And they say, no, if you want to be civilized, if you want to succeed in the world, if you want to get promotion in your job, if you want to succeed in your studies and so on, you got to dress the way we dress. And so one Sunday morning, very mysteriously, it happened. You saw the first blue jeans, and it's a statement of fashion now. And then something even more sinister happened, and you thought, oh my gosh, today the sky is going to fall down. You saw a girl dressed in blue jeans. You never saw it before. Your father and your mother dressed in blue jeans, and when grandpa also, and grandma in blue jeans. And how come the priest is also wearing a blue jeans? And the pundit and the imam is wearing a blue jeans. The world is coming to an end. Everybody dressed the same way. That was in the age of barbarism. We are now a civilized people. And civilized people don't eat with their hands, Imran. So now if it's a curry fish and rice, and I want to wash my hands and use my hands to eat, I'm now uncivilized. The Quran says precisely that. They will not be content until they get you to live the way they live. So I can't call my children anymore. You must call them kids. Oh, I thought only Americans and goats had kids. It's a steamroller bringing all of mankind into one global society. We'll all live the same way, eat the same way, dress the same way, talk the same way, have the same diseases, die the same way. The world order of Gog and Magog.